All right, so Jaltest, as Bruno mentioned already, is the main tool that we are selling in the US. It's a diagnostic solution for all makes and all models. It's divided in different modules. We have a solution for commercial vehicles, so all the heavy duty that is on the road. Another one for agriculture, another solution for off-highway, that is the one we bring to this show, to ConExpo. Material handling equipment, that is our new baby, that is like 1 year old. It's very innovative because it's provide diagnostics to equipment that before there were no tools, so now we are offering something that was not before in the market. And then marine, we also work on gas and diesel engines, so that technology allow us also to open business to different prospects, yeah, and different type of customers.